touch that.
Well, back the fuck away from me.
All right, you need to
My
settle
hands
down.
are up. Get off of me. I am not walking.
At April 17, 2023, Gate 24, Orlando International Airport, MCO, event investigation and arrest of a disruptive passenger for battery on Leo.
Don't touch me.
We're not touching him, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
What's going on?
No.
Hey, I spoke with your husband earlier. I was the one to speak.
You spoke with him already.
I know, so are you on the phone with him?
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Are you... Can we talk? Ma'am, don't, please.
Leave me alone. Do not
Then
come
don't
near
touch
me.
that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the fuck away from me.
You need to settle down and so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby. No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
I'm sorry, baby.
Over there.
No, leave me
Okay,
alone.
ready? Okay.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No.
So,
Do not touch me. Do not come near me.
excuse us.
Do not come near me.
Excuse us. Excuse us. Oh, sorry.
Do not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need
My
to settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not settle
All right.
down.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
You will back up.
She's got a pen in her hand.
No, get off of me.
Get down on the ground.
Get
Down the pen. Get down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
Ah! Woo! Get the fuck. Ah! No! Ah! Get off of me. Get off. Get off. Get off. No.
Stop biting me.
Stop. No. Get off of me. Oh, no, please. Please stop it. Please stop it.
Roll on your stomach.
No. Get off of me. Get off of me. Oh. Get
Roll over. You're making it hard on yourself.
off
Back.
me. Get the fuck off of
If
me.
you're about to get tased.
Get off. No.
Which side do you want to
No.
roll? We gotta pick the side. Come on.
Stop. Get off of me.
Stop it.
No. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Get off of me. Now. Right now. Why did you let them do this to your baby? Get off. No. Please get off. Wow. Oh my God.
We're gonna need a case first.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. Oh, please get off of me. Get off
Can I?
of me now. No.
Stop.
No,
Just
please.
stop. All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have
you
a
sit down.
family too. Just don't
settle
do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful
Just
kids.
get Arf here.
Please leave me alone.
Just
Please
settle
leave
down
me
and
alone.
we'll get everything
Please
help
leave
for
me
you.
alone.
All right, we're gonna.
Hello, lady. We're going to sit you up.
Please don't call me little lady.
Okay.
Okay, well, you help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here, too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in the
wheelchair.
chair first.
I don't wish to sit in
We want you to sit down. Like you to sit down, please.
Sit down.
Please, please.
Come on, sit down.
Please sit down. Please just sit down. You want to get her feet up down?
No, don't touch me.
We're not touching
Please.
you.
Do you have a family?
We're just getting the lift stuff. You can put
No,
your
no,
feet
no,
down if
no,
you
no.
want.
Don't let them take me, please.
Come on.
Please
Come on,
don't
we can
let
take
me. No, please don't let me. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?
Ma'am, just
We are helping you.
No, you're not.
Just put your feet up
This
here,
is
ma'am.
really. Oh,
Is there other sneakers?
I already. Don't touch me, please. Stop it. Why were you? Please don't let them take me.
You got it.
Does she have any other family members here?
Just hold on to her. Hold on to her.
Got it?
Her.
There's some backstory.
No, get off of me.
We got the back,
There is
Herbie.
a backstory.
Herbie, you hang on to her. I got the back.
Family. Oh my baby. Why are you recording me?
23, I guess. Just go left.
Please.
Just go left.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby. Yes.
Excuse us.
Come on, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
No.
24.
No.
Yeah, can you make some room?
No. Get off of me.
If she gets off, we're just gonna agree.
No. No, you can do it now. Yes.
Okay. I don't want
Right now.
Let's walk.
I am not walking.
Ma'am, relax.
I'm sorry, baby. This is happening to you.
We're going this way, folks. Excuse us. Man, stop, please. Coming through here.
Help me, please.
Thank you.
No. Please.
Come on now, you're
Please don't take me
Coming through
away. No. Ow. Ow.
Stop kicking.
No, please.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, come on.
No. Ow. Help me. Ow.
Good? Come on, man.
No. I will not.
Come on,
Come on,
man.
we're almost there.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Ah.
Come on, man. Come on, we gotta go.
No. Why have you only been doing this for me?
Yes.
Can you check my neck over here?
At legal basis. Initial contact is predicated on the community caretaking doctrine and the heightened security standards of international transportation hubs. At constitutional standards, under the Fourth Amendment, a Terry stop is justified by reasonable suspicion that a breach of peace is occurring or imminent. Florida Statute 83783 disorderly conduct applies as the behavior exceeds protected speech, directly impacting the peace and quiet of the traveling public. Florida Statute 84302. Resisting without violence is established the moment the subject obstructs the officer's lawful investigative duties through noncompliance. At Lacesis, maintaining a reactionary gap is a standard safety protocol. The subject's possession of a pen necessitates a transition to physical control to prevent assault. At Graham Connor, 1989, force is evaluated via objective reasonableness. Officers must react to the split-second nature of the threat without the benefit of hindsight. Florida Stat 4 says battery on a law enforcement officer occurs when the subject bites the officer, upgrading the offense to an enhanced felony.
Excuse me. I don't know this.
No. No.
Is it broken?
You got a bite mark. No, it's not broken. It's swollen.
We're gonna be to your left.
Bite mark.
Was that a bite?
Yes, you've been on the neck.
Sit her down.
No. Do not.
We have to do
Sit
this.
down, please. All right. Bring her out.
So they got
You're breaking my back.
Nobody's breaking anything.
Help me.
Grab her arms. You guys ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Up she goes. Let me get in front of you.
Ow! Ow, my arms! Please put me down. I will walk now. Ah!
Okay. Stop screaming now.
Ow! Let me out
You're
of
gonna walk now. You said.
Telecom Oscar 992, 4-hour unit
Help
check.
you up now, and now you're gonna walk with us.
Get off of me.
Grab her leg. Grab her leg.
I'll talk to you when we get down there, okay? All right, ma'am, I'll talk to you when we get down there.
Bad idea. We're gonna have to put her on the stretcher.
Why?
Okay, they're not. All right, here, back in.
A full cocktail. Yep.
AMR still coming?
No!
You want them to look?
Do not give me any drugs.
Okay.
I don't use any drugs.
If you're gonna sedate her, can we get a stretcher up here then?
No!
Yeah.
No, I don't use any
They're back
drugs.
here and they're ready to do
They're trying to
Have them
sedate
get the
me.
stretcher up.
We're gonna put soft restraints on you, okay? We're gonna put soft cuffs on you.
Can we do soft restraints on her?
Ow!
I know.
Ow!
And then one cuff to the gurney. And make sure you get clearance on that.
Yes, we'll do,
Hey,
sir.
just come pick me up at the truck.
Thank you.
All right.
No, please don't take me in there. Please, please take me. Ah! Take me to the doctor. Ow! All right. arm inside of this. Have your, I'm gonna just keep it right out there, okay?
I'll be,
We put a non-intubated cap mill on the back of the stretcher.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in there with you. Hold on.
We're gonna put you in this seat.
Okay.
That way you're out of sight, and it may keep things from getting. She's pretty understandable. She's pretty
there.
Yep.
All right. Appreciate it, guys.
At Florida Statute 843-D01, resisting with violence is a third-degree felony triggered by the subject's active physical struggle and assaultive behavior during the arrest. At utilizing a medical stretcher and soft restraints is a best practice to prevent positional asphyxia and minimize claims of excessive force or negligence. Lessons learned. Verbal de-escalation has limits. Once an overt act of violence occurs, officers must decisively shift to mechanical restraints to ensure public safety. At process. Subject's emotional distress does not override the legal necessity of the arrest. Documentation of the biting incident is critical for felony prosecution. At evidentiary value. Body-worn camera footage serves as the primary evidence to distinguish between passive resistance and active aggression under Florida law. At charges of battery on Leo and felony resistance are supported by the transition from protected speech to violent physical obstruction.